I'm making DIY shoes today. And guys, all you need, let's get to the video, and if I'll be talking, I'll be talking. So let's get to the video soon. All you need is a pair of old shoes, and you don't have to buy new one. Don't invest on new one. I am sure you all have that old one shoes, and just old shoes and 3 meters of lace and velvet fabric, E600 glue, scissor, paint, only one, green one. Either you can choose fabric paint or whichever paint available with you right now. So, and a paintbrush. That is it. It's just as simple as that. You can complete the DIY shoes within a budget of 200 rupees. I am very sure about it. Just give it a try, guys. And if you guys are wondering what I'm wearing right now, I got this shirt from Identity. No, wait. Did you get this shirt from Identity? No, I did not get this shirt from Identity. My brother got this shirt from Identity and I just borrowed it from him. Borrowed? Why are you even lying? I just stole it from him. Let's get to the video! In color, I think you guys can see the brown color. Yeah, this was brown in color and I have just painted it. I painted and then I pasted the lace as well, but then I did not like the way it was looking, so I just took all the lace off. So what you guys can do is paint white color and then try green on the white, because that will actually green color will outstand in that case. Okay. Velvet fabric, the fabric is really nice, it is very rich, so go with some quality fabric. So velvet fabric, E600 glue and paintbrush, green color paint, green, white, whichever color you want, green one, and the scissor. That is it. That's my charger. Now my goal means this, what I'm talking about. Take that off and take the measurement, placing your velvet fabric over here on this. So I've cut 2 such fabrics, velvet fabrics. Now I'm gonna, can you guys see the shape of the fabric? So I've cut it like this. There are 2 pieces, one for left and one for right. Now I'm gonna paste it all over this, and then I'm gonna paste it like this. So once that is done, the same I'm gonna attach to the shoes. Now I have pasted the velvet fabric on the sole. The next task is paint it in green color, guys. First, I'm not doing this because I'm really tired. I'm doing this from 2 days because I had already done once and I did not like, as I said earlier, so I'm doing it again. I have really lost patience. Please do not repeat that mistake. Paint white color first and then green. Top of that, paste the lace. Now I'm straight away going to paste the lace. Please do not do that, FYI. So yes, now cut the lace how much ever you want. So initially I'll be cutting the lace like this. Okay, I'll be cutting the lace like this and then pasting it all over like that, and then the strips. I have chopped this many laces. I've taken the measurement initially, so how much ever required, and then I have chopped this much. Or you can do parallelly also, paste one and then cut off one. So you can do any which way. So I have done this. pasting the lace on the shoes. So this is how it looks. Can you guys see that? Oh, isn't this pretty? So this is how it looks. So next I'm gonna have outline for this to make a finished look. So outline here. So I'll just show you guys how you have to do that. For that you need a straight long strip of some 1/2 inch. This is how it looks. Could you see the outline? I think you can see now. So this is how it looks. So once that is done, I'm gonna paint all over the heels. I thought of pasting the fabric here also, velvet fabric, but I could not get the cuttings. So I'm thinking to paint the heels as well. So this is how the finished shoes looks like. Hope you guys liked it. I'm really loving it. Cannot wait. The excitement now, guys. I really want to wear this right now. Yes, I'm gonna wear and upload that video as well. You got the accent, girl. Anyway, never mind. That's it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram to see more such videos. Bye.